They called it an unstoppable force when it first burst onto the scene in the 1980s. The M1 Abrams battle tank quickly earned its place as a legend, dominating conflicts from the Gulf War to Iraq and Afghanistan. But time spares no machine, not even a legend. With the rapid emergence of drone warfare, cyber threats, and multi-domain operations, the U.S. Army knew this icon had to evolve to stay ahead of modern threats. Meet the M1E3 Abrams, an ambitious next step in tank evolution. Today, we're diving deep into how this upgraded beast aims to redefine armored warfare in the decades to come. The legacy of the Abrams. To appreciate where the M1E3 is heading, we must first honor the history behind the name. Conceived in the 1970s and entering service in 1980, the original M1 Abrams was revered for its triad of strengths, firepower, protection, and mobility. It proved its mettle across multiple conflicts, outmaneuvering adversaries and cementing its fearsome reputation. Over the years, the Abrams family has seen numerous upgrades. The M1A1 brought in advanced armor and a 120mm smoothbore gun. The M1A2 improved targeting and communication systems, a pivotal leap in command and control. Its successor, the M1A2 SEP-V2, further refined armor, electronics, and crew safety measures. Yet, the battlefield keeps changing, and now, the Abrams line faces a new era of sophisticated threats, from precision-guided missiles to cyber intrusions. That's where the M1E3 steps in, a thoroughly modernized design that integrates the lessons of decades past with cutting-edge technology to meet tomorrow's challenges. Armor and protection. First and foremost, the Abrams has always excelled at taking a hit and giving one in return. The M1E3 upholds that tradition by retaining proven composite armor while incorporating advanced materials for even greater resilience. Although specifics remain classified, Army officials promise the M1E3 will resist emerging anti-tank threats, including next-generation guided missiles and high-velocity penetrators. A critical addition is an active protection system engineered to detect and neutralize incoming projectiles before they strike. Given the proliferation of top attack and smart munitions, this added layer of defense is vital. With these enhancements, the M1E3 stands poised to endure and dominate whatever the future battlefield throws its way. Advanced firepower. The main gun of the Abrams, a 120mm smoothbore cannon, has long been its hallmark. The M1E3 will retain this tried-and-true weapon, but pair it with advanced munitions that enhance lethality against both heavily armored and soft targets. Imagine new kinetic projectiles and versatile multi-role shells that can swiftly adapt to shifting battle conditions. Behind the scenes, an upgraded fire control system will ensure faster and more accurate target engagement. Combined with improved gun stabilization, the M1E3 can lay down precise fire on the move, maintaining deadly accuracy even at high speeds or on uneven terrain. Together, these refinements bolster the Abrams' position as the tip of the spear in armored combat. Upgraded engine and mobility, speed, agility, reliability. The Abrams name has always been synonymous with exceptional mobility. The M1E3 continues this tradition but goes even further. An upgraded gas turbine engine promises more horsepower while maintaining, if not improving, fuel efficiency. This is a crucial benefit for modern deployments, where supply lines can be stretched thin and tanks must traverse vast distances on short notice. Accompanying the new power plant is an enhanced drivetrain designed for better acceleration and maneuverability. Whether operating in open deserts, congested urban centers, or rolling hill country, the M1E3 is engineered to stay quick on its feet. Upgrades to the suspension system will make cross-country travel smoother, ensuring the crew can stay focused on the mission ahead rather than the bumps beneath them. Enhanced crew capabilities. Inside the belly of the beast, the changes are just as transformative. The M1E3 is designed to potentially operate with fewer crew members, 3 instead of the traditional 4, thanks to automation. Advanced sensors and AI-driven systems can handle many tasks that once required dedicated personnel. Fire control, target acquisition, and even some navigation functions are streamlined through cutting-edge software, reducing workload and improving efficiency. In addition, improved command and control interfaces will keep the crew better connected to the broader battlefield network. Seamless data sharing with drones, satellites, and other Army units gives the M1E3 a level of situational awareness never before seen in an Abrams variant. Networking and electronics. In modern warfare, data can be as powerful as any shell fired from a cannon. The M1E3 Abrams embraces this reality by incorporating advanced networking and electronic systems. It won't just be a lone wolf hunting targets, it will be a node in a broader, interconnected force. Real-time communication with unmanned assets, both aerial and ground, gives the crew unparalleled situational awareness. Moreover, robust cybersecurity protocols protect the M1E3's digital backbone from electronic attacks. This ensures the tank can operate without crippling interference in high-tech battle zones. Improved optics and infrared capabilities also round out the package, allowing it to own the night and any other environment it encounters. Testing and deployment. Although the M1E3 Abrams is well into development, it remains in the trial phases where prototypes are put through a gauntlet of tests. Early production could begin as soon as 2025, with a larger scale rollout anticipated in the late 2020s. Of course, these timelines can shift with budgetary changes or field test outcomes, but one thing is certain: when the M1E3 is ready for prime time, it will stand alongside and eventually supersede older Abrams models in frontline service. The Army's modernization drive hinges on fielding a tank that can outlast and outfight tomorrow's threats. The M1E3 Abrams, armed with decades of combat heritage and future-focused technology, may just be the machine to fulfill that promise. And there you have it, the M1E3 Abrams, a testament to how even legends must adapt to survive. Will it set a new gold standard in armored warfare, or will unforeseen challenges alter its path? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so be sure to join the conversation in the comments below. If you enjoyed our deep dive into the next generation of military tech, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth explorations. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.